FSA 5812 is much bigger and has more receiving elements than most antennas on the market. This means you will have better range and improved picture quality. Here's what you'll find inside the box: the UV rear segment, UV midsection, director element, reflecting nets, coaxial cable, coaxial splitter, tooth clip, J-pole, connecting brackets, a bag of screws, mounting brackets, and a set of instructions. A non-motorized antenna is less of a hassle and is more reliable than motorized antennas. Type in TV Fool in Google and enter in your zip code to find your nearest antenna tower. Make sure to face your antenna to the nearest signal tower to have the best reception. Connect the coaxial cable to the TV. Use your TV's auto scan feature to find all available channels. Get the best in the TV antenna market with the FSA 5812.